They say walking every day is the key to a healthy mind and a perfect body. And here we are walking our way to Rongmong village, which is located in Umrangso, the beautiful and scenic Umrangso.
Absolutely. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome you all to our show, Crimson Hearts. And I'm Yuri.
And I'm Sukalpa.
And we are here to know more about the Jaintia community, about their culture, about their tradition. So, Maleki is the person who is waiting for us and who's going to help us throughout our journey. So, we are really excited to know more about the Jaintia tribe. What do you say?
Exactly. So, let's not waste time. Let's go ahead.
All right, let's go. Hello, namaste. Kaise ho aap?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Maleki ji. Hello, Mary.
So viewers, this is Mr. Maleki and Mary. So Maleki ji हमें इन जैंतिया community के बारे में एक-एक details देंगे, हर एक चीज बताएंगे, right?
Yes.
तो कहाँ से शुरुआत करते हैं?
अंदर आइए।
उसके बाद, okay.
ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे?
ये हम लोग धान सफा का सिस्टम एक तो हम लोग खासिया कम्युनिटी का ये में है।
तो इससे मतलब ये कितनी बार करना होता है?
फिलहाल 2 बार करने से भी होता है, 1 बार से भी होता है। इन 2 बार करने से मतलब और सफा होता, लेकिन अभी 1 बार से भी मतलब हो जाता है हम लोग।
अच्छा।
मतलब ये धान जब आप लोग खेती करने के बाद इसको ग्राइंड करते हो, कहीं पीसते हैं क्या?
हाँ, पीसते।
अच्छा।
पीसने का ये है सिस्टम।
Okay.
This is a very interesting concept of separating the husk from the grain, and it's really a very unique technique because we are using only wind and air, and I can see as Yuri, they are all enjoying the entire process.
That's what exactly very interesting
Yes.
because I'm liking what they're singing at the moment. ये क्या गा रहे हैं exactly?
है हम लोग का सफा करने का जब होता है तो वही गाना तो एक हम लोग काम करने वाला लोग को एक पूर्ति होता है, एक असाइनमेंट होता है।
Okay, तो आपको ये गाना आता है?
नहीं।
शर्मा रहे हैं। चलिए और चलते हैं, आइए।
निकाला हो निकाला हो निकाला हो निकाला हो।
So it's nowadays that people get take the raw materials to the rice mills and get it clear. But this is the age-old and the traditional way to clean the hay, the husk from the grain.
From the grain, yeah. Right. It doesn't seem, it is actually a very old concept of doing it, but then I'm sure it's done for their own self-dependency. ये आपके घर के लिए ही बनाया जा रहा है, right? अच्छा। अगर ये ज्यादा आपके पास धान होता तो फिर आप लोग मिल में चले जाते?
मिल में चला जाते।
ओके।
तो ये like nuclear families के लिए काफी होता है। झूम खेती, राइट सर? ये झूम खेती हो रही है ना? हल्दी की झूम खेती हो रही है यहाँ पे। अरे वाह बढ़िया है।
आप लोग को कैसे पता चलता है कि हल्दी हो गया है?
उसका पत्ता जब मर जाता ना तो उसके बाद मालूम हो जाता है ये हल्दी हो गया, उसको निकालने का टाइम।
ओह अच्छा।
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग।
वैसे कितने किलो तक निकल जाता है एक दिन में?
एक दिन में तो हल्दी के ऊपर है, हल्दी कम होगा तो कम निकलता है, हल्दी ज्यादा होगा तो ज्यादा निकलता है।
ओह वेरी नाइस। So actually,
it looks like 7-8 kilos too.
more than that. So this is a very preferred terrain for haldi cultivation. I mean turmeric cultivation. Preferable, but the soil is very preferable. In fact, the weather and the climate.
It looks very interesting.
Yeah. आइए और देखते हैं। अब इसमें बैठिए ना।
Look at that.
Yeah. Interesting. Pure leather. किसका है? हिरन का।
Deer skin.
Deer skin. Yeah.
But then it looks quite old. ये काफी पुराना है शायद ना? And it looks very very sturdy though.
It's,
You can sit on it.
yeah,
It's meant to be.
meant to be. So हल्दी, ये एक चीज है जो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा आपके आसपास के एरिया में दिखाई दे रहा है कि हल्दी की खेती बहुत ज्यादा होती है यहाँ पे। हल्दी और ऐसा कुछ अलग चीज जिसकी खेती बहुत की जाती है यहाँ पे। जिंजर, अदरक। ओके, वेरी नाइस। तो मोस्टली डिपेंडेंट हल्दी और अदरक में है आप लोग। इंटरेस्टिंग। और
क्या ये मार्केट में आप सेल भी करते हो?
हाँ, सेल भी करते हैं उसको, कच्चा में सेल भी करता है और सुखाई के भी उसको ग्राइंड करके
पाउडर बना के।
पाउडर बना के भी सेल करते हैं।
Oh, nice.
So what we just figured out is because of the environment and the climatic conditions of this area, the main farming stuff is ginger
Ginger
and
and garlic.
turmeric. Turmeric is also an antiseptic, a natural antiseptic product. It cures a lot of digestion problems. It is anti-inflammatory product. क्या आप लोग ये खुद भी बहुत खाते हो?
जी हाँ, खाते हैं।
Like
इसलिए इतने healthy है।
कच्चा भी खाते हो आप लोग?
कच्चा फिलहाल कम खाते हैं, लेकिन
उसको सुखा के, इसलिए आप उसको ऐसे मतलब पीसेस में काट के उसको सुखाते हैं, इसी में सुखाते हैं, धूप में सुखाते हैं।
जैसे अभी
अच्छा, ये
काट के ना सर,
okay.
ये में हम लोग लेके
But then, yeah, that's a very interesting concept. I really like it.
The main point is we'll take some home. ओके, सो ये चीज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है, राइट?
Yes.
तो ये मतलब खेती के दौरान जो स्पेशली जूम कल्टीवेशन है, जहाँ पे जो लोग फार्मिंग करते हैं, बीच में ये ब्रेक के हिसाब से काम आता है। ये लोग बीटल नट खाते हैं, तो देयर बिलीफ इज लाइक दे गेट एनर्जी व्हाइल दे ईट दैट। इसे आप लोकल लैंग्वेज में क्या कहते हैं?
क्वाई।
क्वाई।
Kwai. Kwai is very, very famous among the Jaintia tribe. It's a herbal stress reliever, I must say.
If we put that with,
Yes.
then yes.
Yes.
Very nice.
Anyways, let's
I
move
feel
on.
like having one, but the point is, I'm very sure my entire mouth will become red. All right, let's move
Chal-
ahead.
yeah, let's move.
चलिए। ब्रेक चल रहा है सुकल्पा?
Yes.
Right?
I'm already feeling hungry.
Namaste.
I'm sure you're feeling more hungrier than
Of course, and that they are using eating rice, I'm sure, and that too made in banana leaf.
Yeah. It's,
Amazing. नमस्ते भाई साहब। तो फिलहाल लंच का ब्रेक है आप लोग के लिए। जी। So they are actually doing this drum cultivation out here, and now that it's time for them to have a quick lunch break, and then again they will start doing their cultivation, their
but then
farming.
here I want to know यहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली क्या चीज का अभी खेती के लिए लोग रेडी कर रहे हैं?
धान
धान खेती के लिए. So again they are about
Paddy.
to plant paddy in this place. लेकिन आप यहाँ पे देखा जा रहा है कि आप लोगों ने काफी सारे पेड़ काटे हुए हैं. तो इस पेड़ काटने के बाद आप लोग जब धान लगाओगे, धान बोओगे, उसके बाद ये जगह वापस खाली हो जाएगा. तो उसके बाद आप लोग इतना जो पेड़ काट रहे हो उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे इसका?
हम लोग उसको फिर हम लोग लगाने का कोशिश करेंगे,
नया पेड़?
नया पेड़ को लगाने का.
अच्छा.
So in that way, they are trying to balance the ecosystem, which is actually good, and I won't say it's bad, but it's in between because if they're cutting trees, they're also planting trees. And second thing, I would say that there's still a ray of hope, and if they are doing that, then I must say this is commendable and appreciated.
Nang barin randi lakweda kau Hawaii kerwi Borochisni Pajan midayo tangkawi Wai hayung randi SRUka hadrong laer Ling uce lengar-lengar.
So this is the way मछली पकड़ने का यही तरीका है यहाँ पे. Very nice. So Kalpa, have you noticed one thing? The entire river, it's dried up at the sea because season is like that.
Yes.
So बारिश के टाइम पे पूरा भर जाता है, right? कौन सा मछली मिलता है यहाँ पे? हाँ? Cheng mas. That means a fish popularly known as cheng. They find it here.
So he has just laid the trap. I'm sure he'll go and collect it later on.
ये कितने टाइम के बाद निकालोगे आप?
शाम में लगाएगा, सुबह में उठाएगा.
तो आप ये कल सुबह उठाओगे?
Oh.
So almost like more than 12 hours, they wait for the fish to get inside the trap. And the
That's
traps are specially made of bamboo, by the way.
Yeah. ये बैम्बू का जो बना है ये आप लोग खुद बनाते हो?
क्या
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
चले और देखते हैं.
चलिए.
आइए. So viewers, we have another beautiful young talented lady joining us. Hello, she's Mercy. How are you, Mercy?
Fine.
Great. So Sukalpa, I have a few questions to ask you. Ready for it? All right, Sukalpa,
Okay, I'm
shoot.
not the quiz master here, but then still I'm just a bit inquisitive and odd because I think I think I love your dresses because of the color patterns, of course. Again, I'm obsessed with the color patterns. I cannot help it. But then I really want to know what is this that you're wearing? What do you call it?
We call it muka.
Muka. Okay.
And this one, we wear it from inside and we used to call it a dhara.
Dhara. So the dhara is worn like a skirt.
Yeah, no. Yes. We want it like a skirt. From inside we put it and then from upper we just cover it with the muka.
Okay.
Muka.
Okay, so it's this is your traditional dress, right? So the Jayantia traditional dress consists of 3 different parts. One is the normal top, which can be altered. I have seen many people wear it in a different way. The top or the blouse can be altered, and there is this dhara, which is worn like a skirt. This dhara can be made of different clothing, as I can see. Her dhara is also very different, but then both are of very heavy material. So I guess this is for the protection from cold. Or
Actually, we use it only for traditional functions like
Okay.
dancing.
yes. Now coming back to Mary. Mary, both of you are wearing similar kind of ornaments. And what is this called?
Paila.
Paila.
Yeah.
This is called paila.
Yeah, before they used to make, they take from fruit and after that they used to make like this. But nowadays they put like this.
Okay.
One more thing, sir, मुझे आपसे जानना है. बहुत दिनों से मैं मतलब जब से मैं travel कर रहा हूँ, I always wanted to know more about different tribes and different ethnic groups of Northeast India. So यहाँ जो आप लोग के लोग हैं, जैंतिया, जितने community के लोग हैं, आप अगर मुझे ओरिजिनलिटी बताते हैं कि कहाँ से कैसे यहाँ पे माइग्रेट हुए, यहाँ पे ही है, यहाँ से ही मतलब उन लोग आगे बढ़े, whatever, like मुझे origin बताइए आप, like.
Well, we come from Africa. I think I'm not sure, but I think. Yeah. And then we shipped to Meghalaya. After that, we come to the Grompani, before the dam.
So they are Hindu Jaintis as well. तो ये both ways, sir. Alright. Sir, आप Mercy. सबसे पहले I need to ask you. This is my favorite question. आपका favorite food कौन सा है? खाना क्या है?
My favorite food, traditional food, which is made of this, what to say, black kala til जो होता है.
Sesame.
एक बार प्लीज नोटिस कर लो, मुंह पे हंसी नोटिस कर लो. खाने के नाम पे यूडी का मुंह पूरा शाइन करने लग जाता है.
सुन तो लेते रेसिपी. तिल का बना हुआ.
तो काला तिल से even we can make it from chicken or pork, the oil, and we just made it. तो वो अच्छा से बनाते जाते हैं.
Okay, हाँ ठीक है, thank you. आपका?
मेरा बॉइलिंग फूड, जिस हम लोग सब्जी को बॉइलिंग बनाता, हम लोग जाइंटिया लोग स्पेशली लोग बॉइलिंग ही अच्छा लगता है.
अरे वाह, तिल भी बॉईल करके खा लूंगा ऐसा लग रहा है. आपका सर?
फिलहाल मेरे बॉइलिंग.
आपको भी बॉईल ही पसंद है. A healthy way of living a healthy life, boiled food. So Sukalpa?
They did not really mention till. They mentioned they boil vegetables with meat, not exactly till. Till is made in a different.
अरे मैंने वो नहीं कहा था, मैंने कहा था मुझे बॉइल्ड तिल मिलेगा वो भी खा लूंगा.
So hungry. चलिए
तो फिर हम लोग देखते कहीं घूमते फिरते खाना अगर मिल जाए तो खा भी लेते हैं. चलिए सर, आइए.
चलिए.
Borocisni Pejan Mikdayo Tangkawi Poi hayung uarandi Das RUK Hadrong laer.
Food.
Mary, is it pork?
Yes, pork.
How long it will take?
For about 10-15 minutes.
You will die till then probably.
Yeah, man.
Just by thinking about it.
Let's go from here. 15 minutes is very long. Make it fast,
Mercy, I'm coming very fast.
Okay.
and have mercy on us. Come. Food is where the heart is. And my heart, ladies and gentlemen, at the minute is here on the plate. Look at my platter.
As always, he cannot lift his eyes from there. He's still stuck with the food.
Food is everything for me. So we can see there's so much of food in here. So much. Like different varieties of pork and chicken and some dry fish. I can see some different varieties of chutneys. 1, 2, 3 different vegetable chutneys. So what are they? I need to ask from Mercy here. So Mercy, help me out with everything first. I saw you cooking the pork fry. So that's your speciality.
Yes.
You cooked it. All right, fine. And what do you call this? The boiled pork? It minced completely like small pieces? Dokhle.
Dokhle. Then this one is dokhle. Yeah.
Dokhle siya.
That
Siya,
means
the chicken.
Chicken.
Okay.
So it's more like
This,
chicken keema.
Dry fish made of that til.
Oh, dry fish with
Sesame
sesame.
seeds. But then
Yeah.
sesame seeds and dry fish is an unusual
Combination.
and then the rice is also yellow in color.
Yes, that one is,
Jado.
is made of chicken, and the left side is made of pork.
Pork. Okay. So let me draw the border in here. Okay. Chicken and pork.
Yes.
And this is boiled chicken. I can figure it out. And what is this?
This is tungrumbai.
Tungrungbai. It's also a chutney made of what?
Chutney made of long bean. It's also a vegetable.
Okay. And this? The small
It's
one?
also the same, but this is not even. This is half boiled.
Half boiled.
Cooked in different styles.
Different styles actually, yeah. So I think we should start eating. So I'm here. Please take note. Look at me. Didn't wait for anyone only.
Bum hậu.
As promised, I had my koi at the end of the episode. I'll tell you why, because I had the bestest day of my life here. 2018 seems to be a very good year for me because the bestest and the very tastiest food ever tried this year so far.
Exactly. I actually agree to him when it comes to the food. And also, I have to add, these are the best people I have met, probably both in 2017, 2018.
18 years.
And I truly believe this is a village where people have to come once because the way they hosted us, it's amazing. I loved them, really.
एक बार इन सब के लिए जोरदार तालियां हम ही बजाते हैं.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much. आप लोग ने इतने अच्छे से हमें खिलाया पिलाया
और ट्रेडिशनल डांस दिखाया, अपना कल्चर, अपना कल्टीवेशन
हमारे साथ शेयर किया, वो हम कभी नहीं भूलने वाले.
So, Yuri, so it's finally time to say goodbye to these wonderful people, and we are about to embark into a new journey, right?
Yes,
A new
in our next
destination.
episode. Well, till then, everybody take care of yourselves. Thank you so much. बहुत अच्छा लगा. इतना अच्छा खाना खिलाया कि I'll make sure I'll come back again. Till then, you all stay happy, keep hungry, and we
Keep
say
watching
Crimson Hearts. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you.
Oh